Kit Gym is the only exclusive all-in-one exercise home kit used by the whole family. It is not easy to exercise without any restrictions in a busy modern society. So, we've developed exercise equipment known as Kit Gym so that many people can exercise without time or space constraints. You don't need to pay a lot of time to exercise anymore. With the only perfect all-in-one exercise kit, Kit Gym.
Everything they do at the gym right now can be done with it.
Firstly, mountain climber. Second, rowing machine. Third, leg press. Fourth, side lateral raise. Fifth, squat and shoulder press. Kit Gym allows you to do any exercise you want, not only by weightlifting, but also by Pilates, cardio, and stretching. Kit Gym is made of birch plywood with a luxurious feel. It even has a waterproof effect with UV coating and double coating both on the top and bottom. It has a structure capable of high strength for aerobic step exercise and a 3-stage sliding pipe that can withstand up to 120 kilograms. The 4-stage resistance strength can be adjusted through the tubing band. The violet band has 18 kilograms of resistance, the blue band has up to 24 kilograms resistance, and the handle-type violet band has 18 kilograms of resistance. With the size of 200 millimeters, it is easier to store under the bed or between furniture. And there are a total of 9 colors to choose to your preference: black, beige, gray, charcoal gray, red, orange, blue, pink, and purple. We also give a detachable cushion along with it. Furthermore, you can do more than 100 exercise movements at home, including band row, band curl, leg extension, rear core strengthening, adductor muscle strengthening, push-ups, core exercise, and stretching. A cost-effective product that can replace an expensive type of equipment and Pilates by finishing various exercises with one exercise kit. From Pilates to cardio, stretching, and weight, you can use it without taking up space anywhere indoors without any burden. For your own healthy life, we will constantly create innovative exercise equipment. Support us and join us in our journey. With only one exclusive all-in-one exercise kit, Kit Gym.